COVID 19 has severely impacted the world's economy and has badly hit the job market. Many individuals have either lost their job or fear that they might lose their job in coming months. Just 2 3 months back, everyone had their career growth chart ready in their mind and they were diligently working towards it. But with the corona outbreak, everything has changed. A recent survey shows that 67% of workers have already lost their jobs. Hi, I'm Priyanka from Delhi with 12 years of experience in human resource management. I have worked in executive search and have hired employees across domain and industry while working with some of the big media houses in India like Times of India and Dainik Bhaskar before I ventured into my own digital marketing business. But I've never seen such chaos and uncertainty which has led to so much of confusion and stress in everyone's mind. So, here I am today to discuss strategies that can help navigate your career during this crisis. The first thing that you need to do is invest time in building your personal brand. As we all are staying home these days, there is some extra time available that you can use to invest in building your personal brand online that presents a cohesive narrative about who you are, what you offer, your career goals, and your interests. You can just start by building a strong LinkedIn profile and connect with professionals from your domain and industry. The second thing that you can do is network virtually with professionals from your domain and industry, as just by expanding your network, it will help you keep a pulse whenever a new opportunity arises. You can simply do this by commenting and sharing your take on various topics, offering insightful compliments, or either facilitating introduction to others in your network. The idea is just to try and build some genuine relationships with both potential mentors and peers. The third thing that you can do is start freelancing. Yes, freelancing is the new way to work these days. As now, after the pandemic, most businesses are looking to tighten their budgets by hiring freelancers or contract workers. You can easily find freelance work at freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Also, short term paid professional assignments or internships can help analyze your skills before you commit yourself for a full time opportunity. The fourth thing that you must do is upgrade your skills. Today, you can easily add a new skill or certification to your resume with e learning platforms like LinkedIn Learning or Udemy. You can also refer to free learning resources offered by Google and IBM to ramp up your digital skills. So just take inventory of your skills and determine what to learn next based on industry research and by identifying key requirements of the role at your target company. Remember to keep an open mind about your transferable skills and how they can be applied to organizations that may not specialize in your desired industry, as most organizations today are looking for professionals with wide range of skills. The fifth thing that I'll suggest is keeping a track of your efforts and being persistent. If you find your motivation dwindling, know that you're not alone in this. We all are striving to stay focused in this difficult situation. So stay positive and try to leverage on sites like Naukri and LinkedIn and see which companies are hiring right now. But do remember, a strong job search strategy pays off over time. So it's important to recognize the work you're putting in right now and give yourself credit even for small wins. Also, treat your search like it's full-time job and track your progress daily. As you apply for jobs, set calendar reminders for follow-ups and also record notes on next steps. Finally, the most important thing is to nurture a growth mindset. Consider your mindset as a foundation that's going to need reinforcement. For this, you need to be aware where is your foundation most susceptible. A good starting point is to be more selective about what you are consuming and listening to. Know when to take a break from grim news broadcasts, social media, and sometimes even your own family and friends. Also, if you have fears and personal insecurities such as lack of experience, your age, or an outdated unlimited skill set, You must try to face your fears and insecurities and move on from what you cannot control and rather focus on things that you can. Recognize that your time is valuable and invest in things that you can control. Remember that you have the ability to craft your mind in a way that will serve you over the one that will not. So be wise and stay focused. As I believe, while everything else is difficult to predict, your ability to plan for success still remains in your control. I hope this session was helpful for you all, and all these tips will help you cope with this crisis better. You can share your queries in the comments section and I will try to answer them all. If you like this session, do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon as I will keep coming up with new sessions every week.